SERV, stock analysis, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. First thing that I want to mention with SERV Robotics is that it's still sitting at $11.90, 9% down. Overall, I'm looking at this from a pretty bullish idea in market. Now, context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of correct predictions, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically looking at SERV Robotics, I'm still in my no man's land where the only thing that I care about is whether the price starts breaking 1430 or 1160. Whatever we break first is what I am looking to potentially double down on. You can see previously it was going so good and then crashed. So I'm still just waiting for my rules. If it starts melting down, this is obviously getting deleted and I'm keeping you updated. So stay tuned. We're going to see what's going to be broken next. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.